Namaskar Bandhura, hi friends. Today we are going to learn the verbs for the sense of touch. Quick 10-second recap. Verb forms change with the person, first, second, third. Changes with the degree of formality, semi-formal, formal and casual. We are learning the semi-formal versions, the endings of which are given below for the simple present tense verbs. Verb forms don't change with the number or gender of the subject. These are all the sense verbs which we have learned in the previous lessons. Today we are going to learn the last one, which is touch, chonwa. Chonwa. Now notice one thing, for the noun touch and the verb touch, both of these are represented by chonwa in Bengali. This is different from smell, which we learnt last time. So for the noun smell, it is gondho. For the verb smell, it is shoka. But in case of touch, we are going to have it easier. So for touch, both the verb and the noun are chonwa. Chonwa, if you have already noticed, ends in wa, and hence it falls in group 1 and will follow the conjugation rules of this group. So in case of group 1, we take the wa out of the word at the end and replace it with e, o and I to form the first, second and third person conjugations. Also notice that some of the words are marked with asterisks. So in those cases, the vowel of the first syllable changes. For example, in case of chonwa, the o in the root form changes to u in case of the first person conjugations. So the conjugations become ami chui, amra chui, tumi chho, tomra chho, o chhoy, ora chhoy. And one thing I forgot to mention earlier, notice that the N is in brackets. So this is written with Chandra Bindu in the Bengali script, and it is not a full N, it's only a light touch of the nasal N. So the pronunciations don't have that full N, they have that light touch of N. Ami chui, amra chui, tumi chho, tomra chho, o chhoy, ora chhoy. Let's have a look at a couple of examples. Ami ekhono khabar chuini. Ami ekhono khabar chuini. Pretty straightforward one. Subject, timestamp, object, verb in negative form. Piku niramishashi o mangsho choe na. Piku niramishashi o mangsho choe na. In the first sentence, the verb is, in the English sentence is. So there is no equivalent of the to be verb in Bengali which is used. So we are skipping that verb, just translating piku directly, and vegetarian translates to niramishashi. So piku is a vegetarian, is piku niramishashi. She doesn't touch meat is o mangsho choe na. Again straightforward sentence, subject, object, verb in the negative form. Now for this sentence, though we have done a little literal translation and it holds, there is no problem with this, but this sentence is not exactly used in the literal sense. So it means that she's a strict vegetarian, she never eats meat. So the sentence o mangsho choe na, she doesn't touch meat, is used in the sense that she never eats meat. She's a strict vegetarian. That's how you should read the context of the sentence. বাচ্চারা কাঁচের ফুলদানিটা তোমাদের ছোঁয়া বারণ. বাচ্চারা কাঁচের ফুলদানিটা তোমাদের ছোঁয়া বারণ. Now if you notice in the English sentence, this touching is kind of a gerund, used in the sense of a gerund here. So in the it's not a verb. So here in the Bengali sentence, it still replaces the non-verb touch in the English sentence. Okay, so for all touch words like irrespective of whether it's a noun, verb or gerund, you can use the word chonwa in the Bengali sentence. But yes, if it is a verb touch, then you have to change the conjugation depending on the subject, because here it is not a verb, so here we can just put chonwa directly in the Bangla sentence. So বাচ্চারা কাঁচের ফুলদানিটা তোমাদের ছোঁয়া বারণ. Today's Bong lesson, Ektuku Chonwa Laage, is a song by Rabindranath Tagore, and it goes like this. Ektuku chonwa lage, ektuku kotha shuni, tai diye mone mone ruchi momo phalguni, ektuku chonwa lage, ektuku kotha shuni. This is today's word list. Come back and refer to it whenever you need to. That's it for today. Thank you for listening in. সবাই ভালো থেকো, আবার দেখা হবে. Everyone stay well. We will meet again soon.